Whether restoring your existing hardwood floor or installing a new custom wood floor, our advanced equipment allows us to provide our customers with a cleaner process. We utilize the latest technology in dust-free containment. We use a HEPA filtration vacuum system to provide you with a virtually dust-free refinishing process. Whether refinishing and restoring pre-existing hardwood floor, or installing new custom hardwood floors, our advanced equipment allows us to provide our customers with a cleaner service. If you are looking for a more modern, clearer, eco-friendly yet durable hardwood floor, we strongly recommend calling and arranging for a free on-site estimate to make your old floor look brand new. Give us a call now. Here is a small sample of refinished residential and commercial floors.